people really need to understand what the actual technology is, how it's actually working. And I'm not saying someone has to do a degree in it, like myself, but just understand the fundamentals of what you're actually doing. Is again, when cloud computing came in, everyone was up in arms about storing data in the cloud. It's like, that's not safe. How can I'm essentially storing my bank statement on someone else's computer? But fast forward today, everyone's got a cloud account and everyone's got sensitive data in cloud accounts.
All it is again a fluffy word, quite literally,
Yeah.
for servers.
Yeah.
And it's just,
I'll store your data for you.
yeah,
That's what it is.
instead of building your own server room, it's a distributed service where someone else builds a server room.
Yeah.
Really,
Yeah.
a very, very large one, and they ensure it has power to it, but it's a secure building, and you don't need to worry about it, because it would also be a lot of resources with the team that you'd need to manage it all. And then if there's one thing goes down, I mean, there's nothing like watching a server go down for whatever reason, which is servicing a lot of customers. I mean, you see it where some of the big cloud providers, a particular node gets taken out, some critical infrastructure, and then suddenly before it, Facebook doesn't work and Tesco's doesn't work.
Yeah.
There's all these major things because of something that's happened in West Virginia. And and WhatsApp messages don't go through because so many things are connected and routing through different places. And you think, why would you want that? The stress and everything else that comes with it. No, distribute that to someone else who that's just what they do.
That's what they do. Yeah.
Let's call it the cloud. And well, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, because if I say to you, I've got a computer here, loads of storage, give me your data, I'll store it for you. You'll be like, no. But then the way you package that up is that it could be accessible anywhere in the world. Clouds, you can do this. It will take all the security concern away from you. We'll take all this away from you. And it's exactly the same with AI. Oh, AI is great because you can do X, Y, and Z. It's like, okay, but what's going on behind it? Where is all that data going?
Yeah.
What's been happening with that data? Because again, there's a lot of clients that we know that we work with, and they've asked about how do we use AI? What's the best practice? Because the companies that we're gonna get AI from, or the models or anything like that, they just tell us that it's great and we keep all your data secure. But we want to know what the fundamentals are, and we say to them, okay, you're going to be storing something on their servers. Now, if you upload a sensitive document, they've got that document, they've got a copy of it. And then they were like, okay, so I've stored it there. Then what? I was like, what about on the flip side, if they've got a disgruntled employee and they end up deleting stuff, or they end up taking a lot of data, or there's a breach on their side, then what? Then you got all your data there. It's similar to social media, email accounts. Those threats are all there. But no one's really talking about the fact that if I upload stuff to an AI platform, that data is being stored somewhere.
Yeah.
And it's being used somewhere.